Hey, welcome back, Math Gurus. Today's video, we're going to focus on dividing a fraction by a fraction using a model from a word problem. So Shaggy has half a cup of sugar to make banana pudding. Each banana pudding serving requires 1/8 cup of sugar. How many servings can Shaggy make? So we first have to decide, what does he have? Well, he has half a cup of sugar, okay? And then we need 1/8 size. That's our group size cup of sugar for each serving. So we want groups of 1/8. So how many groups can we get out of that? So the first thing I want to do is I want to represent the half using a fraction bar. Now, I've seen where some people use the same bar to show the 1/8. It's just not something I'm really a fan of. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. It's just easier to see with the second one. So right underneath it, I'm gonna do the best I can to make it as straight as possible. It's not required to do 2 bars. I mean, you could probably do 1. I mean, if you can do 1. So right now it's 1 whole. Now I broke it into half. Now I went to fourths. But as the problem says, I need 1/8. Okay, so this is how 1/8 looks. Now, when it's right underneath it, hopefully you can see that you would get a total of 4 groups or 4 servings. So if you want to see it algebraically, it was really our standard algorithm. 1/2 divided by 1/8 is equal to 4. Now the way you actually solve it is you multiply by the reciprocal. And when you multiply, you just flip the second, which is reciprocal, multiply straight across, which becomes 8/2, which simplifies to 4. All right, so let's do one more example for this video. Okay, Princess Aurora has 3/4 gallon of Jamaican punch. Each of her fairy godmothers require half a gallon of Jamaican punch. How many servings of Jamaican punch can Princess Aurora serve? So we have 3/4, and we want or need half gallon for each serving. Now, first thing I want to do is go ahead and model the 3/4 gallon. So how many servings can I get from this? Now, right underneath it, I'm gonna draw another fraction bar. And this one's gonna be half, okay? So I'm gonna shade in half. Now, when you see it, you go, well, there's 1/2, so that means there's 1 serving already. But we only have half of another serving, so my answer is 1.5. Now, we can definitely show it by how you solve it with multiplying by the reciprocal. So 3/4 divided by 1/2 is 3/4. You multiply by the reciprocal. 6/4, which actually simplifies to 3/2, which then simplifies to 1.5. All right, well, I hope this helped. If it did, I would encourage you to hit subscribe to this channel. Thanks, have a good one.